Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 10th, 2021, and here we are. We're going to give you all a price prediction for Dogecoin. You guys can tell all the hype of Elon Musk going on Saturday Night Live has now come and passed. And you guys can see the price action since that particular day, and we're going to talk about it. We're going to see whether or not the market in Dogecoin has the ability to maintain its strength and continue its progressional movement higher. So before I break all of that down, if today's your first time ever viewing our content, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and come back again and again, because we're going to give you all the heads up as to where price is going to go. We could care less if the market goes up. We could care less if the market goes down. We're just simply getting in position so that we can profit in either direction. So make sure if you want to learn more about this, that you continually keep it tuned in and locked in right here so that you can be updated. All right, so now real quick, I wanted to show you all this article that came out on yesterday. Elon Musk, SpaceX is his company that they're literally launching a Dogecoin funded satellite to the moon, literally. So it goes to show you that the viability of influence can have a major impact on persuasion of any particular market or product or asset. You know, Dogecoin wasn't given any traction, you know, ever since like 2013 or whenever it first came listed. It wasn't getting no traction, and Elon picked it up and ran with it, and now you see mainstream media, you see these articles picking up and talking about Dogecoin, and now his own company is actually funding a satellite that he's going to launch to the moon. All of this showed you that persuasion and influence actually creates market demand for any particular type of product. So not only Elon Musk can do this, anyone with a massive following can create demand for any particular product to make it more valuable. So we are living in a totally different age to where once something that wasn't even considered a viable cryptocurrency is now continually show us that it is becoming more and more viable in the market. So things are changing. No longer is it being thrown down our throats that this is acceptable, that this is valuable. If you have a mass following, if you have a big influence in the economy, then you can literally create and move markets, right? And this cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, is a perfect experiment that is precisely playing in front of us of it occurring right now. So when we look at this market on Dogecoin, you guys can see that we did a price prediction about 3 days ago. You know, May the 6th, we told you all that the market in Dogecoin was going to continually see some higher price movement, and it did, right? It came all the way up here to our last area of restriction. So if anything, you should have gotten about 17.75% profitability out the market right before Dogecoin went lower, okay? That is done, that is over. Let's take this away and let's go ahead and see whether or not this market in Dogecoin still has the ability to shoot up higher in price. A lot of people has been looking at the market in Dogecoin to try to tag out that dollar area. So far, it is still on course to do that. You know, I say that because you guys can tell that even though we're seeing the market in Dogecoin down 8%, we are still holding this very important support area that we talked about 3 days ago. We told you that around 51 cents, 50 cents, the market in Dogecoin needs to hold that area of support. Now, you can tell that even on May the 9th, the market in Dogecoin was even able to hold this area of support, right? So we've been seeing the market give us some indications that that confirmation of support is being maintained. You know, the market is not giving us a lot of weakness to where we would be expecting this market to break this overall trend to the downside, which is very positive. Okay, so now let's take a look at the market in Dogecoin in a different time frame. This is the 3-day time frame, and here the market, yeah, it's giving us some weakness. You know, definitely some people are here taking profits in Dogecoin who especially bought it all the way here at the low of the market. You guys can see now they've finally taken some of that profitability out this space, and rightfully so. You know, that is seeing the market in Dogecoin traded above 50 cents is one of the biggest movements probably in the cryptocurrency space. You know, the market started listing all the way back here in 2019, less than a penny. And here you are now seeing the market at 55 cents. So now let's see how the market in Dogecoin ended out the week. Again, there was some stockpile coming in to end out the last week. We're coming into this current weekly price bar. I don't think that the market weakness is too prevalent to actually hold down Dogecoin. Like the market demand, if Elon Musk continues to come out and speak on Dogecoin, if the mass media continues to come out, speak on Dogecoin, the demand will be able to consume up all of the selling that is currently going on in the market in Dogecoin. Okay, so let's see this on the hourly time frame, on 45-minute time frame, excuse me. You guys can see here that the market currently is just giving us some bouncing price action. We're not seeing a lot of weakness really panning out right now on the 45-minute chart. Right here on the 90-minute chart, you guys can see right here that the market is not extremely weak neither. Just pretty much expecting this currency to continue to trade sideways over the next couple of hours. Okay, this is the 3-hour time frame into the market in Dogecoin. Again, I am still suspecting that the market in Dogecoin is going to continue to go higher in price. Okay, so we are still entrenched in the ascending line. Nothing has changed in regards to that. And looking at a lot of the other cryptocurrencies in the market today, the market in Dogecoin is still trying to participate in that demand and continue to go higher in price, right? So the trap is not going to fool us into thinking that people are selling out their Dogecoin. We've had some people here trying to prop up this price. It's plain and simple. So we're going to continue to play the strength in the market in Dogecoin. I'm not overly concerned with how much weakness came in the last 2 days, including today's price action. So we are definitely still in tune to see this market in Dogecoin go higher in price. All right, so let's go ahead and do this real quick for Dogecoin. Now, preferably, the sooner we hold support, i.e. right there around 50 cents, the better. But I can still see the market in Doge trying to come down to around 45 cents in the long term. That's going to be the play. So long as price trades above 45 cents in Doge, we're going to continue to see this market trade sideways and increase the prospect of higher price movement. It's just that simple. Okay. Now we're going to TP out the market though in Dogecoin right there around 60 cents. It's about 15% profitability into the market for Dogecoin. And I'm going to extend out this line, this support area, because we're going to watch the market in Dogecoin, see where it closes on the daily time frame so that we can continually watch the market, because the sooner we hold that 50 cent area, the better. Okay, so I'm going to extend out that line just so that we can track that and see if it actually holds. If not, the next area is going to be 45 cents. But generally, the market here is still giving us the ability to increase in price. We're going to follow that same particular type of notion and TP out right there around 60 cents, which gives us about 15% profitability. I would come in and do another take profit around 58 cents because that area also is a shallow area of restriction. And that is it. I mean, we're in position. This is our Dogecoin price prediction in the market, while everyone else is giving you these outlandish price predictions in the market in Dogecoin. We'll give you something more conservative, more realistic in terms of grabbing the bag from the trap, right? If you're not trying to be all about that hype, if you're not trying to be all about that FUD and FOMO and just jumping on the ship just because everyone else is telling you to, make sure you follow us because we follow the trap. All right, so tell me your price prediction in the market in Dogecoin. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me where do you all think the price in Doge is going to go over the next, let's do 7 days. In the next 7 days, where will Dogecoin be trading at? Drop the comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.